Hi everyone, so we're here in Clark Parade Ground. So dito lang muna tayo tatambay kasi masyado pa kami maaga for the event. 4 p.m. yung start eh. So while waiting, taste test ko na yung remaining Takis na hindi ko pa natitikman, which is yung Takis Intense Nacho Chips, and then Takis Fuego, and the Blue Heat. Okay. So, nandito ngayon si Andy. Nung last video ko, wala siya. Pero ngayon, nandito na siya. Okay. So, we have the Takis Intense Nacho, which is non-spicy. And then the Fuego and Blue Heat, extreme sila pareho. Anong gusto mong anahin, Andy? Ito. So, may dala naman akong clip kasi kung hindi naman natin ubusin ito eh. Magpo-food trip tayo mamaya dito sa Clark. Ito siya. Typical nacho lang. Walang anghang. You can try. Yeah, sarap naman. Siguro yung difference sa ibang nachos or nacho flavor. Mas maganda yung flavor niya. Kasi yung iba parang, kasi yung parang hindi maganda. I'm gonna rate it, siguro 10 pa din. Masarap na nachos siya versus sa ibang, di ba? Okay, so yan, pwede yan sa'yo. Kasi si Auntie hindi siya mahilig sa anghang.
Doritos pa rin ako.
Okay. Try ko tong Fuego. Actually, yung Fuego tsaka Blue Heat, parang sila yung top na nakikita ko eh. Hindi naman, walang mang intense na amoy. So, this is kinda red-orange like the Nitro last time. Parang same siya ni Nitro, pero mas intense na maanghang siya.
Good afternoon, everyone. We would like to announce all
Ayun. Yeah, I still like it.
typically guarantees following the arena or the holy grounds by 3:45.
Okay. I'm gonna rate it 10 din. Mas mataas ng spiciness to sa sa Fuego.
Premises.
Yeah. Okay, lastly is the Blue Heat. It's really color blue. Like the Raymond.
Oh, magiging color blue ka dyan.
Oh my gosh. Ito, blue siya, blue.
Baka yan yung pinaka-maanghang.
Hindi, parang natin. Okay din siya. Sarap din. Pero mas maanghang tong isa, yung Fuego. Pero since mahilig naman ako sa maanghang, kaya pasok naman sila sa sa banga. Pasok sa banga. Approve. All Takis that I've tasted, I'm gonna rate it all 10. And they only tried the intense nacho. What did you say? No intense.
Non-spicy. Non-spicy.
Ano ba nakalagay?
I still like
Intense
Doritos.
I still love, of course, Cheetos. But I also love this Takis. So, yeah, that's it. So later we'll try to explore this and check some food trips. Food trip kami ni Andy. That's all. See you later. Stay happy, stay hungry. Bye!